Now, Mr. Chair, ladies and gentlemen, my speech, Madam Mr. Chair, is a
Mr.
never-ending
Chair.
question, ladies and gentlemen, that I'll answer you.
Sorry, Diyo.
Number one, ladies and gentlemen, why Anton? Who's Anton the safe expert? Who's Anton the safe expert, Mr. Chair? Number two is first, I'll answer first the question. Who's Anton the safe expert?
Paano yan?
Is officially Anton Mary Jane Baptiste Ranger County the safe expert. Mr. Chair, with that is an honorable award of France and a hero of France, Mr. Chair.
Ano mo talaga siya?
But digging deeper, Mr. Chair, his early days, Mr. Chair, it's a weird guy, Mr.
Mr. Chair?
that he
Debater
is
siya,
an
parang
aviator
debater.
at the same time journalist, Mr. Chair.
Pero tol.
Why aviator, ladies and gentlemen? And first and foremost, he born on June 29, 19,000 at Lyon, Mr. Chair, in France. He died.
Mr. Chair. What can you say, Mr. Chair?
You know, Mr. Chair,
Mr. Chair.
Okay, Mr. Chair. I can say that,
At the age of 42, Mr. Chair, that I will discuss to you why it only becomes presumption, Mr. Chair, and not an accurate